said, how will you learn that? When you love the old people and what you stick with them, you're going to learn with them. Your dad cannot buy you one small little skin rope.
Yeah.
At that time, well, you can sell one skin rope for $15, and that's cheap. Now you try to buy one from Mexico, he can charge you about $200 and something, $250 for one short piece of skin rope. I said, now.
That's from Mexico.
That's Mexico.
Yeah. That's cheap for America. And oh man.
That's why everybody go down the border and buy it.
Yeah.
But then that Howley fellow from Canada, he had a ranch up there. Then I gave my daughter a skin rope, and she and this girl from Canada were corresponding. Then my daughter gave her the skin rope that I made for my daughter. Then the uncle asked her, where did you get this skin rope from? He said, oh, from my girlfriend from Hawaii. He said the dad makes skin rope. So then he used it on the ranch in Canada. Mm-hmm. Then he said, wow, the skin rope is good for the size. He said it's strong and everything else. So he wanted me to make one skin rope for him, but I told my daughter, no. I cannot get the skin, and if I sell a skin rope to him, maybe just having the skin rope break on him, he gonna say, oh, that thing is nobody good. So I told my daughter, tell her girlfriend of hers, tell her uncle, go down Mexico and buy them. He said they did. Mm. But the skin rope is not as strong as the one they make in Hawaii. Oh. So my girl asked me, Dad, what is the difference between what's called Mexican cowboy skin rope and the Hawaiian one? I said, with your father's one, I don't can talk for all the Hawaiians. I talk for myself. I said, with your father's, when he make rawhide, he don't salt that rawhide. You see, I don't put it in a lime to take out all the hair. Ah. You see, so it's just from the cow's back on the dryer. Then when it dries, then I shave all the hair out. Then I cut it about 1 inch wide and round and stretch it from post to post, Then let it dry. Every day you pull that hide. Yes, every day you stretch, especially in the damp weather, mm-hmm. Then when it rains 2 nights straight or 2 days straight, that hide won't stretch no more. He'll just play up in the air like that. Oh. Bounce up and down. Then it's power. It's not going to stretch no more. Yeah. Then you strip it up to the size what you want, then braid your skin rope. That's why the skin rope don't stretch. Yeah. The Mexican one, when you buy them, you rope a couple times in the cold weather or in the rain, the thing will, when you twist it out, you could see air through them. Ah. That hide stretching there. See, because it's not cured from stretching. Yeah. And if you put that lime and everything for him with the hair and everything, that thing weaken the glue in the hide.
Break them down.
So that's a difference. Yeah. Yes, sir. So.
But that's a slow. You're going the slow way, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Theirs is faster.
Yeah.
Just